What's up YouTube? Today I'm just gonna be doing a little giveaway and I just started a new YouTube channel, so I thought it could be a nice way to start my new YouTube channel with a giveaway. So yeah, the giveaway is 25,000 FIFA coins, and it's on PlayStation 3 because I don't have an Xbox. And to enter the giveaway, you just have to like this video and you have to subscribe to my channel, and then you have to comment why you think you should win the coins. So yeah, that's simple. And when you have done that, you have entered the giveaway, and I'll find the winner on 23 December. So if you win, it could be like a Christmas present for you. So yeah, that's also a good idea, I think. But yeah, so remember to enter the giveaway, and see you guys next time. And tomorrow I'll maybe be posting a pack opening where I get a 85 Brazilian player, and he's a pretty beast. So yeah, see you guys next time. Peace out.